Hello YouTube, hello everybody. So today is my second attempt to do more cleaning of this Falke air rifle that I found yesterday. I got information that there is a marking should be on the tab, a number marking, but I couldn't see it at this moment. It was fully rusted. And I saw some picture in Google and there is a marking here too. Well, I didn't see any. It's very bad that I didn't bring my screwdriver today, so I can do. And the one yesterday, finally I found that the marking over here is not actually a made in Germany marking. It's actually the word caliber 4.5 millimeter, yes. Okay, so this is not really a workshop, but that's how I do it. Okay, I'll try to find some more marking. Diana will have a made in Germany marking somewhere around here at the body of the gun, at the frame. And okay, I'll figure out, see the marking on the tab. Thank you everybody, please keep watching. So here's the result of my cleaning today. I'm using sandpaper, but too bad, I think I've damaged some of the covers, metal coatings. Yeah, I can still see some bluing here, some bluing here, but well, I couldn't get the marking on the tab. I don't think so. And also at the back part of the tab. No. Anyway, this is the brightest spot that I can work at. So yeah. And I only get this marking here, cal 4.5 millimeter. Sorry, it's upside down, but and also this Falke model 80, the L with double L. No birds. Okay, I'll try to review this inside at the table, see what I can do. I hope it's bright enough. Okay, so here it is, my Falke Model 80, as seen on some googling. I've done some googling. It does look alike, but I don't know, the markings are a little bit different. Well, I'm in the factory, so it's got a lot of noise. Sorry. What I observed from the top is it has the front side just almost look alike BSA shape, and it is an under level spring cocking mechanism. Yeah, but the previous owner has managed to repair. I don't think it's a good repair. Yes, and it has the rear side like so, incomplete too. This is what I get. And as far as I know, this is the distinct Falke shape. Also the dovetail rails, and also at the end here we got a hole, which is, after I found out, it actually for a diopter. So it has three sides: the front side, the rear side that serve as the middle side, and a diopter. It has also a BSA shaped edge here at the end that connects to the stock. Nice trigger mechanism, still in good shape. It's detail. It's very bad. It's a very bad condition. Somebody told me that there is a marking in the tap loading, but there is not. It's a tap loading mechanism. Yeah, no marking there. Okay. I think that's all for this review of the Falke Model 80. I haven't managed to get my screwdrivers to open this, but this is easy enough to open. I wonder if the screws are still loose. Thank you for watching, everybody. There are other guns, air guns that I have are mostly spring or air pump. I don't collect PCPs. I only collect vintage guns from the 60s, 70s, and 80s, 90s, the max. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everybody.